Welcome back to Wild Sun Art Studio. My name is Robinsunne. Please like, comment, subscribe, or share this video with other artists such as yourself who might enjoy this. We're going to do another flip through today. So one of the things that comes up for this journal, I'm trying to sort of show it in the light. I don't know. Can you see? This is a little warbly. I put paper cuts on the front of this journal and they seemed so fragile out there. And so I thought, well, what if I put Mod Podge on the front? And I also did this on the back. And you know, the texture is, this is matte Mod Podge, and the texture's fine, and it certainly does keep, you know, from picking up little corners of the paper cuts and ripping them off, but it does warp the paper. So, I don't know, what are you going to do? I mean, I guess I could have used, let's make everything fall. This stuff, laminate adhesive liner. Maybe if I'm going to have a nice flat cover, I could use this instead. This is that, we used to call it contact paper. You know, it's, you peel the, of course now I'm not going to be able to do that, but you peel the paper stuff off the shiny plastic. And then put it on and cut it to size or whatever. Okay, so now that we've discussed that part, this is a Spacious envelope journal. It is made out of envelopes that I sealed up or matted to seal up. And then I either cut a top, just a little sliver off the top, or I cut a little sliver of the edge off the side to make either a top loading envelope or a side loading envelope. And you'll notice that the envelopes on the two covers are about, I think, 5 by 7? Yeah, 5-ish by 7-ish. And the three in the middle are 4.5 by 6.5. So they're smaller, and I also, you know, added them into the journal at different heights. So we can do that. This journal is kind of a show-off journal for some of the work we did in the Amy's Wednesday art journaling at the Camden, Maine library. And we made borders for each other. We drew them in black and white, and then we sent them around to each other, and we had them to color each other's stuff. So that was fun. This is one that I made. This is one that somebody else in the group made. This is a little snippet off the bottom of that. We've got some faux postage going and some cards that a person could color. And some little teeny cards in here, little houses in a little stacked label medallion pocket. And here's another pocket. This one's out of watercolor paper with taller cards in here, and then more little teeny cards in the another stacked label medallion pocket. And here we get some cards in the side pocket. There's a paper cut on a postcard, and the strong postcard with another paper cut. Ooh, and here are some lovely faux washi tapes. I think this one is mine and everything else is from other people, designs from other people in the group. I think a bunch of these are from Amy. And we've got paper cuts on the back of those too. These all go into a bucket. There we go. And more washi tapes. These 3 washi tapes were on, I think I must have copied them onto regular paper, and I made this pocket with some cards to color. This one, my total fave. Well, not my total fave, but pretty favorite. It's up there. And some sort of skinny cards to go into this pocket. This one, I think that I colored this maybe in reds or maybe in blues. I can't remember. And then I copied it in black and white on the copier. And I really like how these black and white cards come out. They look cool to me. And we have some more cards in here. Yes, with the postcard. And my guardian with, not a postcard, with a paper cut. And here's some more washi tapes. And a couple more here. Oh, I guess that's supposed to go this way. So it was really fun coloring other people's designs. That was really cool. I guess it's like coloring an adult coloring book. And this is, I'll have to link this for you. Amy taught on her channel how to make this book and a cover that the book slides into. There we go. And I used scrapbook paper for this. You could use your own drawings, or if you did little watercolor abstract paper, or even watercolor, anything. It's a really nice sized little journal. It you could put it in a pocket, or you could make a belly band out of faux washi tape and put it in your journal. Here is another stacked label medallion with some more cards to color. And some more cards with a paper cut. Heart, yay! With a paper cut. And some more washi papers. This one is mine, and this one is mine, and all the rest of these belong to somebody else, which is completely fun. Oh, look at this one. Really like that effect right there. These go in there. And these are actually all glued together. I made a pocket and I glued this woman's washi tapes really close together to be decoration for this pocket. There's some cards to color. There's a faux postage stamp. here we have my rubber stamp, Robinsunne Postcard Press. These are the books that I write, which are on Amazon, and the link is below. And here is my angel business card. And some more cards to color. Hello. Regards. So those go here. Faux postage, stacked label medallion, more tall cards. So the two covers I cut at the top for top loading pockets, and the 3 envelopes on the interior I cut on the side to be side loading. And then the back again. And I have this great map washi tape that I just kind of, as I made the stacked envelope, I should link this video for you, just in case you haven't already seen this. So the flaps of the envelope make up the spine of this book and the spaciousness of it. And I thought I'd put a piece of, this is really thick washi tape, I thought I'd put the washi tape on just to help strengthen the spine a little bit. So here we go. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little while. I wish you very pleasant places to be in your world today. I hope they inspire you and make you feel comfortable and give you some little sparkles. And I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you next time. Bye.